Hi yogis, my name is Sophia. Welcome to SoYoga, and today's short video will be all about neck and shoulder release. So roll your mat and we are starting now. So we are starting this video at the front edge of your yoga mat, gentle and easy. We'll start by rolling the shoulders back, lifting them up, and slowly rolling them back, really feeling the range of motion in the upper body, in the arms. Keeping the hands completely relaxed, just following the lead. Good. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's change the rotation. Leaning forward. Actually, by saying leaning forward, just rotate the shoulders forward. Keep the chest straight. Good. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next time, lift your shoulders up high. Exhale, release. Fast down. Inhale, lifting the shoulders up. Exhale, release. One more round. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, release. Good. Inhale, reaching the arms up towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Grab your right wrist with the left hand and bring the left foot to the outside of the right foot. Inhale to lengthen through the spine. Exhale, leaning over to your right side. Looking maybe up. Breathing. Breathe out. 2 more breaths here. Inhaling in. Exhaling out. Last one. Breathing. Exhale. Good. With your next inhale, slowly coming back to center. Keeping the length and changing. Grabbing the left wrist with your right hand. Bring the right foot to the outside of the left. Inhaling in to lengthen. Exhale. Leaning over to the left side. Pushing the hips over to the right. Breathe in here. Breathe out, looking up. Inhaling in. Exhale. 2 more. Last one. And exhale. Good. Amazing job. Keeping the arms still up. Bring the arms forward and open the chest to the side. Bring the right palm in, left arm back. Alright, we'll try to do that a little bit faster for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, reaching the arms up. One more time. Exhale, bring them back behind, interlacing the fingers, rolling the shoulders back, puffing the chest forward, looking up, and drawing your knuckles down towards the ground. Maybe elongate the neck. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more here. Keep drawing your knuckles down, chest forward. And last one, we will lead with the chest forward and we'll start folding down. Keeping the arms up towards the ceiling. Hug the belly in. And release down. Take one more breath in. Straighten the knees. Looking down towards the mat. Hug the belly. Exhale, fold. Start drawing your arms towards the front of the mat. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly release your arms down. Fingertips are on the ground. Inhale, halfway lift. Straight knees. Lengthen through the spine. Exhale. Bring the left hand in front of the left foot. Inhale, open the right arm to the sky, to the ceiling. Looking up. Breathe in. And you'll start drawing circles, 5 circles with your right arm forward and 5 circles back. For 3, 2, 1. Change the rotation. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dropping your right hand down. Inhale, bending the right knee. Inhaling, opening the left arm to the sky. Looking up. Breathing. And let's start rotating the hands forward and back for 5, 4, 3, 2. And last one. Change the rotation for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. From here, slowly start rolling up, vertebra by vertebra, by rolling your neck and head at last. Inhale, reaching the arms towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Imagine that there is a ball in between your arms and you're holding it there, grounding through the feet, through all 4 corners of your feet, rooting from the sole of the feet and leading the way up with the tip of your fingers. Maybe even look towards the sky. Breathe in. Breathe out. From here, we'll clasp the hands and we'll bring them behind the neck. Inhale, looking up, drawing the elbows parallel to each other. Exhale. Start bringing the chin towards the chest. And from here, roll down vertebra by vertebra the same way you came up from the upper back, lower back, the hips, fingertips down. Maybe place the hands down on your mat, bend the knees, and sit down in Vajrasana. Or actually, you're welcome to land in Vajrasana in any nice way. You can even take Chaturanga, jump forward, backward, downward facing dog, anything that feels nice and good today. All right, from here, we'll stay down on the mat. From now, I want you to bring the top of the right palm in the space of the right rib cage, and then to draw the elbow in closer. And I want you to do the same from the left side. So we'll bring the tops of the hands on the rib cages, and then we'll draw the elbows parallel to each other. Good. Maybe even close your eyes here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Lifting your right arm towards the ceiling, bending the elbow, bring it behind the neck. Slowly dropping the head over to your right side, walking the left hand to the left. Starting to feel the stretch in the back. Breathe in and out, lifting the left arm, grabbing the right elbow, and then leaning slightly to the left side, maybe even gaze up. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Slowly release the left hand. Keep your right arm where it is and bring the left hand, so rotate it and bring it to the back. You can start from the lower back. You can grab your shirt. Even if you have a strap, you can grab a strap with your both hands, or if it's available, you can just walk your hands and grab your fingers. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Good. We're changing the hands, lifting the left arm up. Inhaling. Exhale, bending the elbow, bring the hand behind the neck. Slowly dropping your head over to the left side. Just for a breath. Walking the right arm over to the right side. And then slowly lifting your right arm, bring it over. Grabbing the left elbow and then leaning over to the right side, so to the opposite direction. Breathing for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly coming back to center, releasing the right hand, flipping it around and to the back. And again, either keep it to the lower back, grab a strap, the shirt, or walk your fingers together, keeping the chest nice and tall. So in case you're leaning forward to grab your hand, I prefer if you can just grab a strap, grab a belt or your shirt and stay nice and tall. 2 more breaths here. And last one. Good. Then slowly release. From here, bring your both arms forward, bend the elbows. I want you to bring the right arm under the left. We're going for eagle arms Garudasana. So either just place the top of the palms together or go for a better grip and wrap them around. Inhale, lifting the arms up. 2 more breaths here. And 1. Good. So when we release the pose, so we release the bind if they were binded, and the right arm will go to the left shoulder, the left arm will go to the right shoulder, and you give yourself a big, nice, juicy hug. Allowing you to set an intention for the day and for the rest of your practice if you count on adding more videos to this one after. And repeating your intention 3 times in your mind. Maybe walk your hands just a little bit more. And slowly release. Bring the arms forward again, bending the elbows. Left arm will go under the right. Wrap your arms or keep the tops of the palms together. Inhale, lifting up. You're staying here for 5 breaths here. Last one. Amazing. So release the bind in the palms, then the left hand will rub over the right shoulder and the right arm over the left shoulder. Walk them slightly a little bit more. Inhale here, exhale, close your eyes, bow the chin towards the chest and breathe. And in this nice pose of self-love, I want you to think of one thing that you really love about yourself, and then walk your hands a little bit more and give yourself an even bigger hug. Inhaling through the nose, exhale, sigh it out. Good. Slowly release your wrap. With a few blinks, gently open your eyes. And that was it for the practice for your upper arms and neck today. Thank you so much for following this video with me. I hope to see you very soon on the mat, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell. I'm looking forward to seeing you very soon on the mat. Namaste.